that girl and her baby survive?
If God wants.
But Father, what if God doesn't want me to be a mother?
Lord, you told me a child was waiting. You told me that my daughter would raise it, that my son would join us, that we would be the family I have prayed for all these years. That together we would watch the chosen one grow, my flesh and blood. Did I misunderstand? The boy was not to be of my son's loins.
Jessica or Natalie to take care of our kid in case Mitch got to us. But Stacy didn't. She didn't want to think about what we do, but she still filled this out.
Well, who'd she put down?
I can't make it out.
Here. Here, can you see?
Skylar Joplin.
To me, the answer is here in this room. Nurse Charles, you may leave us. You will have a child to raise.
I will.
And it will be my flesh and blood.
You can't blame yourself for leaving Stacy alone. Lawrence is a monster. There is nothing he wouldn't do to get his hooks into his own flesh and blood.
I know, Clint. That's the thing. The baby is in his...
It will be our flesh and blood. Our child. Together we will create the chosen one. I will give you a child.
You know, he said he came home to comfort me about Jessica. He wanted to help me and take care of me. And I believed him. And then all of a sudden he said, well, I've got to go.
Go where?
I don't know. I figured he was going to get drunk. He said, no, he wasn't.
Of course he did.
No, this was different. He said that someday I would understand what he was doing. But he also said something... If anyone else had said it, I don't think I would have believed them. But coming from Charlie, it was different. I don't know.
What did he say?
He promised me. He promised me that I would get Jessica back.
Don't worry. Nothing's going to stop me. Mitch Lawrence took my son away from me, and I am not going to let him take Vicky's daughter from her.
I wish that I could go with you, but... Next time, you'll remind me to dress for a blizzard.
It's all right. I can handle it.
What if Mitch has already gone after one of the girls?
What, in this storm? There's no way that Mitch is going to get to your family before I get to him, okay? So just, take care of your toes and keep the circulation going.
Oh, excuse me, I am a doctor. Tell me something I don't know. Charlie? Be careful.
Tell me something I don't know.
That was supposed to be my grandkid. I was going to be with that kid from moment one. I was going to do everything that kid that I never got a chance to do for Shane.
She would have been really lucky to have her.
Kyle, I love that baby. I mean, I can't stand Stacy, and the baby wasn't even born yet. But I love that kid, and now you're telling me that Rex isn't even the father?
I'm so sorry.
Wait a second. Rex and Gigi broke up. It was because Stacy told Rex that he was the father, because she knew that the two of them would break up.
Yes, probably.
That bitch is dead.
Rex! Rex! Anybody help! Okay, girlfriend. We're gonna be okay.
Kim? What about Stacy's baby?
I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just worried about my girl.
That makes two of us.
Rex! Rex! Oh, please hurry me. Somebody help me! Ow! Oh my God! Oh my God, no, it's not happening.
I don't understand. Why would she do this? Why would she name Skylar Joplin as her baby's legal guardian?